Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do a bloom and I'm going to use my own products and a little bit of magic I just got in. So I'll tell you when I'm using it. Let's just pour a little puddle. This is a latex based interior house paint mixed with a little bit of AUSTRAL. I did thin it down because it's quite thick and I'm scared it's still a little bit too thick, but I'm just gonna try it. So this is a 30 centimeter round canvas that I put on my spinner, and I stuck it down with some tape. Let's see. Oop, a blobby. So let's pour some paint on here. This is Primary Yellow from Bleiswijck, mixed with my bloom recipe. I'll put the paints I've used for my bloom recipe in the description box. So normally I don't use this much paint, but then I end up not having enough color on the canvas. So I'm going past my, ooh, this is a little bit too much boundary, because I really want to have enough on here. Because I'm only using two colors. So this is Magenta from Bleiswijck, mixed with Iridescent Violet Blue by Pebeo, because I did want to give it a little bit of a shimmer and a color shift. Let's just do a tiny bit more of the yellow on top. Now this is Oxide Black with Australian Floetrol. I got my hands on 100 milliliter bottle for this pour. So let's blow this out. I'm going to be in view, sorry about that. Let's get this center to come up. And I'll add just a little bit more paint. Try and spin this out. Let's start slow. I think I might have used a little bit too much gel activator. And my base paint is a little bit thick. So let's just see what happens if I spin it a little bit more. Okay, it's getting there. It's going to have that break up anyway, so I might as well try and spin it to the edge. Well, what I've noticed is that I need to add a little bit more paint to my cell activator, thin down my base just a little bit, and see where we go from there. And use less cell activator, because now I've got all these big black blobs, which I don't mind, but I didn't want them. So, but this is my first try on a canvas with the Australian Floetrol, and it's just, it works so much better. So as you can see, it's a little bit different. When I tried to move it, I found that there's still a lot of paint on it, so I spun it a little bit more, and I got those really big black marks from the side to go off, and the center is still okay, so I really could have stretched it a little bit farther. For me it's new, because normally when I stretch it this far, my paint breaks apart, but now it pretty much stays together. You can see that Pebeo Iridescent does give some flakies, but I'm okay with that. It will give a nice shimmer. So I'm going to transfer this to my drying area and I'll show you when it's dry. So thanks again for watching, and I really appreciate every single one of you. Please give it a like if you liked it, subscribe if you want to see more, and share it because it really does help my channel a lot. So thank you, bye!